4 by 2-digit multiplication. Here we go, using the lattice method. I love how you are challenging yourself and taking a look at this, even though it is not a must-do. It is good to have the practice, but it isn't a must-do. All right, the first one we're going to take a look at is 2,535 times 47. So 4 digits times 2 digits. Go ahead and make our box. Now make sure to take all the space you need to. I'm a little limited by the whiteboard app I'm using, but you have a whole notebook. If you don't, get one or get some paper to do it on, because that's the only way you're going to want to do this. I can't imagine how else. So notice I made my 4 by 2 box. That's the main difference. Now I'm going to draw my diagonals from corner to corner in each box. So 2, 5, 3, 5 times 47. All right, 2 times 4 is 8. So remember, put the 0 in the tens place, 8 in the ones. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. And 5 times 4 again is 20. Use the same color for my thousands. 2 times 7 is 14. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 7 is 21. And 5 times 7 is again 35. Now I'm going to look at my diagonals. Remember, I have a few more to add up than I did initially. I'm going to ignore those. Oh, what's the hell look? So I have 5. Oh, that's really hard to see. All right. So here we have 5. 0 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Plus 5 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. 1 times 1 is 2. Plus 3 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. And then 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now make sure you're writing neat enough so that you can read your numbers, because if you look at the number wrong, then you'll add the wrong number and you'll get the wrong answer, even if you did all the steps right. So now I just do left to right. So 119, 145, 1, 2, 3, put my comma. 119,145. I'll do one more example, and then if you need more, let me know. Again, I know I go a little fast on some of these, but you can always pause it if you want to try it by yourself first. So say you want to try this one. Pause the video, try it, then go find where I show the answer and show the work if you want to look at that. That is just fine. So I'm going to make my rectangle. I like to divide it in 2 that way for my 2 digits that way, and then in 4 this way. Make sure your boxes are big enough. There's no need to squish into tiny little boxes. Corner to corner, since I'm doing lattice. If you've also known window method, you don't make these, but for lattice you do. So I have 3, 4, 3, 8 times 81. So 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 8 is 64. Again, I have my facts memorized. You might take a little longer looking them up or counting the multiples. All right, 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Oops, I was going to switch colors. 4, remember 0, 4. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 in the 1 place, and 8 times 1 is 8. That row is a little more simple. Now I'm doing it looking at my diagonal sort of columns. Interesting, that highlighter I don't use very often. So anyway, I can ignore those. Now I have 8. 4 plus 0 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. Still 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then 2. So only needed to carry 1 on that one. Now I have 2, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, put my comma, 278,478. Again, if you want more examples, let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and practice on your own. And then do your work in a notebook, put your answer on the sheet. And again, let me know if you need help or more examples.